Howdy guys, and welcome to Horrible Doodles. I am testing out a webcam instead of using my phone as a camera. And I was also going to try editing the video on my PC, but man alive, I am underpowered for that with this machine. So I had to migrate the file back to my phone to edit it on there, which my phone's processor and RAM just must be a lot better than this machine I'm using here. So technical issues aside, it's getting late in the day and I need to just get this uploaded so I can go to sleep. But anywho, basis of this drawing is I had someone comment in one of my videos where I was drawing hands, or a hand, and they had mentioned that every time they drew hands, they turned into carrots. That was very funny to me. So I decided to give it a whirl. Now, I don't know if the whole hand turned into one carrot for them or not. We did not get into a deep conversation on that and flesh it all out. But in my imagination, each finger is a carrot on the hand, so that's the direction I went. But you can't just do a hand, you've got to do something fun with it. So I did a weird mouth tongue guy with one eyeball that's been squeezed out of him. My guess is from when he was ripped out of the dirt, it kind of tugged on his eye a bit. Now, I didn't really like my technique on that eye, but this is all practice anyway, so I'll get better at that. Eventually I'll have really awesome eyes that pop out of the socket. But not today. Oh well. And, you know, part of me thinks it looks better when it's colored, except there's another part of me that thinks it looks way worse, so I'll let you decide. And feel free to comment on any drawing I do and let me know how horrible they are. Won't hurt my feelings one bit. In fact, some feedback might help direct me somewhere that maybe my doodles end up not being so horrible at some point. Who knows? But here we go. Stippling in the tongue like usual. Looks super cool, all bumpy. I kind of draw a little start of a brain back there, but I never even finish it. I don't color it, nothing. It's just we're gonna say it's some sort of egg sac from an insect in the soil where he came from, and it's white, so it didn't need to be colored. There we go, problem solved. Anywho, since this is a carrot, it has lots of little carrot lines on it. Kind of little, I've never watched a carrot grow, but I imagine it grows kind of lump by lump, ring by ring downward, so that's what all those rings are for. I did absolutely no research or studying into that comment, so please don't take a test or something and say, carrots grow by lumps and rings. Or do, if that's the right answer. I am also sometimes right, just by luck. Anywho, look at that eye. I told you it looked better colored in. Well, part of me said so. Now you can see the other part of me that said no so. It's pretty bad. But it is like, almost looks burned. Maybe it was really hot underground and whoever pulled him out was actually saving him. That other eye could have been lost too, buddy. Good thing that dude saved you. Yeah, I think that's what happened. But anywho, let's take a close-up of this and check her out. Oh yeah. Look at all those rings. Getting close. I need to focus. Whoa. I don't know why I'm doing all of this, but it's pretty fun. Anywho, that's the guy. I really appreciate you guys watching. please like it if you like it, or don't like it if you don't like it. Thanks for watching.